What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I will be posting tons more videos for you guys. So as you can see, I'm not in the regular setup. I actually just started working at site, so I am 4 days on site and then 3 days off. But if you guys would like to know more about that, then leave a comment down below as to what you guys would like to know about me so I can post an FAQ video for you guys. But yeah, so this is the setup in my room right now. Pretty simple, just my bed, my TV, and I have a table here just for some work. But yeah, guys, let's get to the video, which is actually the purpose of this video. I'm going to be filming the Boxycharm subscription box unboxing. So it is for the month of June and the month of July. So yeah, guys, these are the Boxycharm base boxes that I am subscribed to. So these ones retail for $25 US, and if you're a Canadian subscriber like me, then you're gonna have to pay $5 US extra for the shipping to Canada, which retails for, in Canadian, about 40 to 41 Canadian dollars. Each of these boxes have 4 to 5 products, and yeah, they value for at least $125 US, I believe. So let's start with the unboxing of the June base box. Let's open this up and see what's inside. So the first product I see here is by Dr. Brandt. It is a skincare product. It is Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. It deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. Like, I've heard some good things about it, Dr. Brandt. Like, it's a pretty well-known brand, so I do have some high hopes as to like how it performs on the skin. So yeah, this is the first product. And I'm just going to open it up just to show you guys what it looks like as well. So here is what the bottle looks like. This one retails for $52 US. So as you can see, like, even the first product right here, just this one, costs way more than the box that you're going to be paying for. So instead of paying for just this for $52, you're only paying $25 and getting 4 more products than just this. So yeah, this is the first product. The next product I have here is this one right here. It is Touch and Soul Fill Up Orange, and it is an eyeshadow palette. It has 1 pressed glitter, which is this one right here, and then it has 5 shimmer shadows, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then it has 3 mattes, which is 1, 2, and 3 right there. So yeah, like, I don't know how I feel about the sizing, to be honest. Like, I don't like the fact that it has various sizing going on. Like, what if I were to like this shade, for example? Like, why do I have such a smaller shade for that but not a bigger shade for that, you know? Like, I would have preferred them to be all the same size. But yeah, I'm gonna give this a quick swatch. Like, I'll swatch this one because that one looks really pretty to me. So wow, like, that is so pigmented, like super like smooth. I just don't know whether it'll sit on the eyes like without actually like fall out. But yeah, this is the first shade. Let's give another one a swatch. So let's give this big one right here a swatch. Let's see if it's even like pretty or not. So yeah, it's like kind of metallic. Like, I don't see very much shimmer in here. I don't know if you guys can see that at all. But the formula is really good for both of these eyeshadows. Like, I'm sure I can create some really pretty looks with both of these. So yeah, this is the eyeshadow that I got. So I'll tell you guys the price here too. So the price for that eyeshadow is actually $32 US. So the next product I have here is actually Beauty Vault. It is Circadian Lip Liner Trio, and it has 3 lip liners in here. So they are Cozy Kira, Beau Babe, Naughty Nut, and yeah. So this is what the lip liners look like. So from the packaging, it looks like there's one brownish one, then there's one kind of like a pinky brown, and then there's one like a reddish shade. So I'm going to give this a swatch just so you guys can see how they look. So this is the first one. It's a reddish looking one, and it's pretty smooth, so I'm hoping like on the lips too, like it has very long lasting power. But this is the first one, and it's pretty pigmented actually. This will be really nice for when you wear like red lipsticks and have to line your lips. So this one is called Naughty Nut. Then the next one here is Beau Babe. So I'm gonna give this a quick swatch as well. So this is more of like a peachy brown, and I wear a lot of peachy brown, so I'm gonna try this one just to even add like a lipstick. Like, maybe I'll put a gloss over this, but this is actually one of my favorite lipstick tones, so I'm really excited to try this one actually. Beau Babe. And then the next one here is Cozy Kira. Let's swatch this one as well. It's going to be the very bottom one. So this one's more of like a brown. I'm sure this one's going to be pretty nice too, like to wear with nudes and stuff. So these are the 3 lip liners that came into this Boxycharm box. So 3 of these lip liners are worth $18 together. So there's another skincare item in here. It is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and... Can I speak? Can I really speak though? Okay, so it's Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. So this is the next product. So I'm just going to open this up and see what the bottle looks like, the packaging. So it's like this nice bluish sturdy packaging here. So I'm going to give this a smell. Like, I know it doesn't really matter like if it's some sort of like serum for your eyes. But it does have a smell. Like, I don't know what this... It smells familiar, but I don't know what it is. I don't know. It smells kind of like soap or shampoo or something. Like, I don't know. But regardless, this is supposed to brighten the under eye area. And as I do have like a new routine going on over here, like at site, I'm usually up by 5:20ish. So I'm sure my dark circles under this makeup are actually pretty bad. So I do need this product to get the brightening going on. I'm sure like this is a good product. Like, I've heard good things about it, so I'll give it a try and see how it is. So the Tula Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm retails for $28 US. So then we have the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette. It is cream to powder trio and it has the shades of nude. So it has one pink tone right here, which is the blush, the bronzer, and then the highlighter right here. I'll give you guys a bit of a zoom here too. I'm just going to swatch one of them just to get an idea of the formula. So this is the pink one. I don't know if you guys can actually see that very well here. It's pretty smooth, but I don't really see too much pigment here. I don't know, maybe on the cheeks it'll show up a little bit differently. So yeah, I'm excited to try this as well. So this Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette retails for $24 US. So yeah guys, that was the 5 products in my June base box right here. The June box retails for So here is the July base box. Like, as you can see, like this box actually isn't as big as the other one, but it's heavier. So yeah, I'm excited to see what's inside, like what's causing it to be so heavy. So yeah, let's look at the pamphlet that came in with this box. So this is the sunshine themed box, and I'm assuming it'll have some summery type colors. Like, I don't know, let's see what's inside. But yeah, so this gives me the list of the items that are inside as well as the retail cost of each of them. So let's get into this box and see what's inside. So the first product I see here is actually 111 Skin Harley Street London Pollution Defense Booster. So I've never actually heard of this kind of a serum or booster thing before. Like, I don't even know if this is like a real legit thing, but who knows, like maybe this is a thing now, right? Because we're always like using our screens. So yeah, like let's see if this has any sort of smell. I'm just gonna open this up and smell it. Because I don't know about you guys, but I like a little bit of a scent. Like, I like something florally or fruity. It just makes me feel good. You know, that I'm putting something natural in my skin. But yeah, I'm gonna smell this. Yeah, I don't really smell much. Like, I don't know if it's just me. But yeah, if you guys got this in your base box, then let me know. Like, do you guys think this has a smell? Have you guys tried it? Does this actually do anything for your skin at all? Or is it just like a waste of money? Like, what do you guys think about this? I'd really like to know. This one retails for $135 US. So yeah, it's pretty pricey, guys. Like, I don't know if I would buy this personally. Like, maybe if it does like magical things to my skin or something, like, you know, super powerful things. But yeah, maybe then I would consider it. But other than that, like, I don't know if I want to splurge $135 on just this booster. So next I got these shampoo and conditioner duo. It is Sol Janeiro or Sol Janeiro. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. It's Brazilian Hoa. Okay, Joa. I don't know, man, but I know I'm butchering this name, so I really apologize if somebody from this company is watching this video, or if you guys, like, you know how to pronounce it. Please let me know. But yeah, this is the shampoo and conditioner duo. And let's just give this a quick smell. I'm just gonna open it up and see what it smells like. Because as you can see, like, I like something that smells good. Okay, this smells amazing. Okay, this smells so good. I can't wait to put this in my hair. Apparently this is supposed to be really good for smoothing. Is that a word? Smoothing? I don't know. But it's supposed to strengthen and smooth your healthiest damage-free hair. Okay, I'm excited. I don't know about you guys. Have you guys tried this? Like, let me know what you guys think about this. But I'm pretty excited to try this. This one retails for $24 US. Okay, the next product I have is by Ace Beauty. Ace Beauty, I have no idea. I don't know how you pronounce this. I'm really bad at pronouncing stuff. I mean, I took French. I know that that's supposed to mean something, but I don't know. Okay, anyways. So Bronzed in Paradise is what it's called, and it has these pretty shades of bronze. But I don't know, like, if all of them could be used as a bronzer on my skin tone. Like, maybe these two, maybe a mix of like this and this, like, I don't know. But I've seen other girls who got this palette in their base box use this as an eyeshadow. So yeah, I can maybe use that as that instead of, like, you know, just not using these colors at all. Like, might as well just use it as an eyeshadow, right? So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I'm just gonna give this a swatch of the formula. So it's pretty smooth and pigmented, as you can see right here. So yeah, this is the Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty bronzer. This one retails for $30 US. This one retails for $30 US. Okay, so I was really hoping for Hourglass to show up in my base box. So I don't know, like, I don't use very much like eyebrow pencils. I know a lot of girls got the eyebrow pencil, but as you can see, like, my eyebrows are pretty thick, pretty dark, so I barely use eyeshadow. I mean, barely use eyebrow products. So I'm really excited to see the fact that I got an eyeshadow here. So Hourglass is a pretty well-known brand. I've heard of them before, but I've never actually tried their Scattered Light eyeshadow. But yeah, this is in the shade Aura. I'm gonna open this and see what the color looks like. So this is the eyeshadow right here, and this is the color. Let me just remove a little bit more of the packaging before you can see. This is the shade, guys. Look at this pretty purpley pink. I'm super excited to try this. Like, I know we have a bunch of golds and stuff, but I don't have this color. Like, I don't have it in like a creamy eyeshadow type thing. So yeah, this is what the shadow looks like. It is so pigmented, so creamy, so buttery. Like, is butter even this buttery? Like, tell me, guys. Like, if you guys own this eyeshadow, let me know what you guys think about it. I'm gonna give this a quick swatch and see what it looks like. Wow, okay. This is so pretty. Like, right away I can see that I can use this for like a black smoky eye with some of this like eyeshadow. That would look so pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna be using this in one of my tutorials. So this one retails for $29 US. Okay guys, so this is the last product in my Boxycharm base box. It is the Deuce, I don't know, but yeah, it is a Fierce and Fine graphic pen. It is a liquid eyeliner and it is in black. And as you can see, like, I'm always wearing like liquid or gel liners like on my eyes. So this is something that'll be very handy for me to use. And it's felt tip. Like, look at the sharpness of this line. Like, it is so pigmented as well. So I'm pretty excited to try this eyeliner here. Let's read the description and see whether this is waterproof. Okay, so here's the description, guys. A deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic eyeliner that is easy and effortless to apply. The design of the felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or thin line depending on the amount of pressure used during application. So this is waterproof, which is amazing, because if you're going out to the pool, or if you're in Calgary like me and it's raining every single day and you're just going out for a walk and you have eyeliner on supposedly, then this will not leak, or it shouldn't at least, right? So yeah, anyways, this is the last product that I had in my base box. So yeah guys, like, that was the unboxing of my July box. The July box retails for overall thoughts. I really like the base boxes. Like, I don't know about the premium, I've never actually subscribed for those, but so far so good. Like, I got a variety of products, both makeup, skincare, and hair now. So these are some of the products that I may not have tried otherwise. So for 25 US dollars and, you know, adding the shipping and everything, for 41 Canadian dollars, like, this is totally worth it. Like, so yeah guys, that was the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys like what you saw, then don't forget to hit the like button because it will motivate me to create more videos for you guys. And yeah, also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. I am actually filming a very glamorous look for you guys, so once that's edited, I will be posting that for you guys very soon. And if you guys are a Boxycharm subscriber, then do leave a comment down below whether you guys are happy with the service and what items you guys got. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next one, and yeah, take care. Bye. So yeah, let's look at the pamphlet here. Oops. Okay, girl. Oh, my foot. Can't even walk. Ow. Oh. Okay, well, that fixed the sound.